people put like the waste management stickers and stuff on them? This is like waste management stuff. These are. Because they had a waste management bin, they like put the stuff on there. They stuck it on the yellow bin as well.
That's a bit cheeky. Well, I probably just think it's just an individual way to get the number.
Yeah.
Like waste management know not to come here, so it's
Yeah.
probably alright.
Yeah.
Waste management trucks?
I used to when they did, like, with the old bins, because we used to have waste management, but then we switched to Enviro waste and then we got the new bins and stuff.
They do less work now,
Yeah.
so probably not.
Yeah, they only have one side loader truck, but it was an older truck. I don't know why they didn't keep the newer one. Yeah.
So you wouldn't be interested in working there?
Well, probably not. I do like Christchurch waste management, but they got some cool trucks, but well, they got the most trucks in the country.
Oh wow.
54 side loaders.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, well, because they're the second largest city in New Zealand. Yeah.
Getting bigger and bigger. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, some places like in the North Islands, mainly waste management, because like in Wellington they used to have Enviro waste, but now they got waste management. And like Auckland, the Enviro waste lost the contract in Auckland, so they don't even operate anymore. Yeah. Because there's in Auckland they got Green Gorilla, Smart Environmental and Waste Management.
Oh, so not.
They used to have Enviro Waste and JJ Richards and Sons, but I don't think they collect anymore.
Oh, it's interesting, the contracts are always changing.
Yeah. I think they're trying to have a competition because it used to be Waste Management, now it's called Waste Management New Zealand, and you guys are called Enviro New Zealand now?
Yeah.
So you're trying to compete?
Yeah, I think this is a bit of rivalry.
Yeah. Oh, do you have to put the truck in neutral? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is it because the truck's old?
No, you have to do that in the new one as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
Make sure what?
I think it's to make sure, because if it's in drive, there's a chance it could move, maybe? I don't know.
No, with the old trucks, you don't have to put it in neutral. The old ones, you just do it. It's,
Like one's older than these ones?
yeah, no, these old ones here, you don't have to put them in neutral because when Blair used to drive the trucks and other guys, they didn't have to put it in neutral, I don't think.
Well,
I think it's only the new trucks.
Oh, I think it also, if you put these in neutral, it makes it go on faster.
Oh yeah, because I could hear the sound change. It's yeah.
So that's how I was doing.
Oh yeah.